All right, guys, so I'm back with another quick video. Now, today I got a quick little accessory for my Mevo Start. I know a lot of you guys probably been wondering about the Mevo Start. Yes, I am still using this thing religiously. Softball and baseball season just kicked off, man. We just finished our second tournament for both my son and my daughter. And my son just this past weekend, so this Saturday, today is Monday, he just hit a home run and he hit a very long, I'm talking deep fly ball left field, man. Got a triple out of that joint, so we got another home run by him, so that's his second. Anyway, for the parents out there that's streaming the games on GameChanger and doing all those things, kind of like myself, obviously I rock the Mevo Start. You guys have seen this on the channel before. The Mevo Start is a really good cameraman, but I decided to go ahead and try to upgrade my little camera mount system for the fence, right? Because the mount system that I have, you guys seen before, it works flawlessly well. I like it. But the biggest issue that I do have, not necessarily the biggest issue that I have with the mount, but one of the issues I've ran into with that mount is that every now and then, when like a pitcher throw a wild pitch, it has a tendency to slide over and stuff like that, right? So I decided to go ahead and get this GameChanger streaming kit, which I'm gonna unbox for you guys today, show you what comes with it, and then in another video, I'll probably go to the field, set it up on the fence, and just kind of give you guys like a quick 2-3 minute little video to show you what it looks like, kind of like in action or whatever. But that's one of the main reasons I decided to go ahead and try to upgrade to this streaming kit, because I wanted to see if it would work a little bit better with the Mevo Start. And it also has little spaces and things like that for my chargers and all of that stuff. So I really wanted to test it out, and I decided to go ahead and get it. So I'm gonna turn this camera around and show you guys the GameChanger streaming kit, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for you guys while I'm just sitting out here. My kids literally just got done practicing, so I'm sitting out here by myself, and I'm like, let's just go ahead and get it done, right? So let me spin this camera around. Man, you know what's crazy, guys, is that literally it was just sunny as crap out here, and the sun just went behind these clouds. We had like a tornado earlier today that came through. It rained real hard, and all of a sudden it just dried up. Sun was out, and now it literally just went behind all these clouds right here. So I just lost a little bit of light just that quick. It literally just that quick. But anyway, this is the GameChanger streaming kit right here. This is the one that I scooped up. I'm just gonna unbox this thing while I'm sitting out here with you guys and show you everything that comes inside the box real fast. And again, like I said, guys, this is gonna be for the parents out there, man, or the people that's out here streaming their kids games and things like that using GameChanger. I feel like this is gonna be a cool way to go. All right, so we got the box right here. I'm gonna go ahead, unbox this joint, show y'all what we got in here real quick. See what we got, So first things first, we got another box. And in this box right here, we have a little, what's this, a tripod, feel like? Pretty sure this is a tripod, yep. We got a little tripod, if I can get it out. Here we go. So we got a nice little tripod. It is plastic. At least it feels plastic. These feel a little, yeah, this plastic, straight plastic, but you know, it is what it is. Just something if you want to take to the field with you. You got a couple of you know, cool lengths that it can go and stuff like that, man. But a very inexpensive tripod. Don't think that this is going to be one of those tripods that can stand the test of time, because it is very, very plastic. It's not like super. I mean, it feels cheap. Yeah, it does feel cheap. Let me not sugarcoat it. It feels kind of cheap. It does have a little bit of a leveler on there too, if you can see that. But yeah, this will get the job done. If you just want to set your whole setup up and just use it on the tripod and look through the fence or whatever the case, or over the fence, this should get it done. But I do feel like it's a little small, even when it's extended. Because see, look, that's one. You only get like two levels of extension, so that's not going to be super, super high. But I'm pretty sure to get the job done. You know what I'm saying? So we got a tripod. I probably wouldn't use this tripod, me personally, but I'm glad it came with it. But we do have a tripod. Never can be mad with a little tripod, man. You just never can go wrong or be mad at a little tripod. So let's throw this back in the box. And the last thing that comes inside the box is the actual GameChanger little streaming kit box that you can put on the fence to take the place of like the standard little mount that I already have, right? Got a little carrying case, so you can throw every single thing in here, man, and just carry this to the field. Got your clips and stuff like that if you want to hang this up on the fence. Got your Velcro straps to make it tighter and all of that good stuff right there. On the bottom, got your little screw hole down there, so you can put it on a tripod or anything too. Got some more straps down here on the bottom, so you can secure it to the fence even tighter. So, you know, that's going to be good there. Right here, when you open it up, let me show you guys real quick. And again, I'm gonna show you guys how to set this thing up at the field and stuff like that. I just don't got time to do that today, man. But I at least want to show it to you guys, man. But on the inside, you get like a little manual right there. You You get another little carrying strap right here. All right, another carrying strap. Then right here on the inside, pull this off. So you got Velcro. This is going to be one of your stands for your phone right here, and it has the screw hole on the bottom down there, so you can put it on the tripod, on the mount or anything like that. Tripod, anything you want to do, put your phone in this right here. So that's gonna be a good look right there. All right, I'm gonna stick this back on the inside. On this side, right here, trying to show y'all. See on this side. Now this is the mount right here that I'm gonna be using, and this thing is Velcroed in. So every spot in here is Velcroed, as you can see. Right here goes the little flap. This flap right here is what's gonna hold your charger and stuff like that. So you can put a charger in like this little pocket here. You can put your phone in that pocket if you're streaming. So you got your phone. You got your charger for the phone or the camera, whatever you want to do. And then these little mounts right here, as you can see, they Velcro. So you'll put one on the inside, set it up where you want to set it up at, and then you'll take this and you'll open up this flap right here in the back. Open up this flap right here in the back, which is Velcro, like that. And this is what it'll look like, you know, in a sense, while it's up on the fence, right? Just like this. So easy day, man. Look at that. You'll set it up on the fence just like this. And if you want to use this one right here for like my Mevo Start, I'm just trying to show y'all real quick. So let me move this one out the way. So you can take this one off if you don't want to use it. You can take that off, right? And I'm kind of running through this quick, but I'll put my Mevo Start on here just like this, right? Put this up on the fence right there. And then you got these right here that's going to prop open this. So now you got like a little shade right here, so you can prop these open on the inside just like this. And this is what it would kind of look like. I'm gonna give y'all a full example. I know this video is taking me too long. Let me show y'all real quick. So you'll snap this into place, snap this one into place like this, right? And now, just like this is what it'll look like, right? Like, so now you got like a little hood up on the top to block the sun. You got your Mevo Start sitting up in here just like that, right? Just like this, it's recording or whatever the case. You got your phone mount. Let me show you. I'm gonna screw this on right quick, right? Just like this. Then you got your phone, you got your battery pack, your phone and all that stuff stored down in here. You got this thing clipped up on the fence, man. And guess what? You are in business right here, easily in business, man. And I think this is a really good look to get yourself started. If you want to kind of get away from just the standard little mounts on the fence, this will get you started. I think this is a really good look, man. And it's easy to break down too. All you do is just, you know, put everything back where you got it from and throw all your stuff right back in here. Hopefully this is making sense to you guys. I know I'm kind of all over the place. Put this back in here if I just want to keep that with me. Put this in here, my Mevo Start, put my strap back in there just like that. Take this, put the flap back in. Look at this. Zip this up just like this. Take this part right here in the back. Make sure I put the little snap back in. Now look at that. I got everything in here. My Mevo Start is in here. All my straps, everything I need is sitting right here. And all I gotta do is put this whole box up on the fence. I'm gonna have shade protection. I'm gonna be able to keep my Mevo Start, keep it cool. Even though mine hasn't overheated yet, but this will keep it cool. You know what I'm saying? I can put everything in here, my phone, I can put my charger in here, everything I need to stream for the whole day. I can do that just like this. And now when I go to the field, come the next tournament, all I got to do is carry this. Now I don't have to carry a separate little bag and stuff for different pieces. I can just carry this, you know what I'm saying? Have everything in here. To me, it looks a little bit more professional too, but I can just carry this. Game Changer, y'all already know what's up. Y'all know I'm finna stream the game, I'm finna get it in, I'm finna take my photos, I'm finna do everything I need to do, man. But this is gonna be the new setup going forward, man. And again, when I get an opportunity to go to the field, I don't have one today, but when I get an opportunity to go to the field, I will set this up on the fence and just give y'all guys that quick little 2 to 3 minute video of how to get it up on the fence and show you exactly what it looks like on the fence. All right, so anyway, I just want to show you guys the Game Changer setup streaming kit for my Mevo Start. Obviously, you can use your phone with it. Whatever you want to use to stream with, you should be able to get it done with this, man. But this is what I got, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, man, if this is something that you can see yourself using in the future if you are streaming your kids' games or recording their games, GoPros, whatever it is that you're using. This would be a good way to get that done. So anyway, it's been your boy Jay. I know I've been looking up at this camera, my little external monitor, instead of looking at you guys right here. I know I have. But anyway, it's been your boy Jay, man. If you enjoyed this video, man, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, man. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you, all right? And I'm going to get up out of here, y'all. I got to go. It's been your boy Jay. Peace out.